Hey there! Welcome back to the Recipe Cookbook, and today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate crackles. To do it, you'll need some ingredients: 4 cups Kellogg's Rice Bubbles, 1 cup icing sugar, 1 cup desiccated coconut, 250 grams copha, chopped, and 3 tablespoons cocoa. Step 1. In a large bowl, mix the Kellogg's Rice Bubbles, icing sugar, cocoa and coconut. Step 2. Slowly melt the copha in a saucepan over a low heat. Allow to cool slightly. Add to the rice bubbles mixture, stirring until well combined. Step 3. Spoon mixture into paper patty cases and refrigerate until firm. Special thanks to Kellogg's, they inspired me to do a research on my recipe, so check out their website and their channel. You can also find links in the description below. I'll see you again soon, with another recipe video.